Today, as Kavalasi COVID warriors, we have started a COVID testing center in Kavalasi in collaboration with Victor Hospital Margao with their dedicated professional staff. Today we have this facility for the villages of Kavalasi. Also the neighboring villages can come and do the testing over here. This is a very advanced testing which will benefit the people not to travel to the cities or around other places. The timing for this will be from morning 9 a.m. till 12 noon, Monday to Saturday. Once again, I appeal to the people, do come here, get yourself tested, and we can give this benefit to the people as part of this fight against the pandemic. Thank you.
My name is Selvin Rodriguez. I am with Victor Hospital marketing team. I thank Mr. Dixon for this opportunity given to us to be part of the Kavalasi COVID warriors. What we'll be offering here at this facility is the RT-PCR and antigen testing. This can be availed by all, including the people who come from adjoining villages. What will people benefit is the travel and we give the reports within 12 to 24 hours. It will have on it a barcode as well as a QR scan digitally signed by the doctors so that you can show it at any port or any of the exit points that you require to. So I would urge all of you to please come and avail of this facility. Thank you.